Okay. Let's do it. Don't look at my butt, chat. Oh, God. There we go. All right.
Hey, chat. You guys see that beautiful fringe on the left side of the screen? Oh my god, wait, it's taking over. Look at that guy. That fringe is taking over. It is currently sitting on the throne of the chair. He is the true king that we should look up to. Fridge it up, boys. Fridge it up. I want to see fridge and only fridge. Bow down to the fridge, chat. I'll do it to myself. Deo. I bow down to fridge and only fridge. 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 I want to make it bigger, but this guy needs to give me a bigger window. This is all I can work with, chat. I'm sorry. That whole space right there for the fridge, that's the maximum size. I can't move it down and I can't move it up. That's all I can do. So fridge. Hello. Hello, Yang. You see this? Hello?
Bro, what did you do?
What do you mean? I put fridge.
What did you do?
I put the fridge and it's taking over the stream, man.
Where's Noble?
It's okay. He doesn't need to know.
What did you do to him?
I turned him into fridge. Is that a problem? You want to be turned into a fridge?
No, please.
That's what I thought.
Can you send me like a transparent fridge so I can immerse myself in this bit?
There you go.
All right.
It's in voice.
Oh, pog. Hold on.
Better do it quick before it
Okay.
before it comes back.
Okay. Saving image.
You know how to do it, right?
Yeah. I gotta find that. Finding that. All right, I'm logging in. Hold on. All right.
It's not changing a lot.
Okay, I changed it.
It's saving. It's not changing. Yeah, that's right. I thought. I turned you into a fridge.
Oh my god! Please! I want to go back!
You fool. That's what happens when you disobey your master.
Please! I just
now
want
pray to the
Noble.
fridge gods.
I'm praying. I just want Noble back.
No, you will not get him back. He'll be fridge forever.
No. No way. You're gonna turn chat to fridge.
Chat must turn. Chat, you are now fridge. I will turn you all to fridge.
Oh no.
You're gonna get me in trouble.
Oh, you're gonna get me. Oh no! Even they got Cino.
Wait,
they got Cino.
Wait, what the fuck?
They even got him.
What the fuck?
God.
Wait, why am I turning into the fridge? I am like the savior of the fridge.
You didn't pray hard enough. God has given his judgment.
What have I done to deserve this form?
Oh. Oh my god.
I got a wife and kids at home.
How am I gonna explain this to my family?
How am I supposed to make love?
How long has he... How long has Noble been gone?
Just like 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Where'd he go?
He went to change out of his form, or went out of his Gura Cosplay.
Oh, he's changing back into his.
It's gonna turn into fridge, dude.
I mean, he's already there.
Yeah, yeah.
Nobu's just very like, you know. So how's chat this fridging evening?
How
I hope.
you fridge MFs
Yeah,
doing?
fridge. Hold on, I gotta put fridge V up. Yeah, even chat's like look at chat.
Look at chat fridge. Oh, wait, wait. You guys are fridge champing. Wait.
Fridge chat.
Yang, don't move. I'm
No.
about to make a move.
Oh god.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh god.
We're about to make love.
Oh no. No, please. I don't give my fridge
Fridge
consent.
champ.
Fridge champ. Oh
It felt like I'm
no.
a little bit closer.
No, please.
What the hell?
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
You know what? I'll be back. I'll allow this to happen for a little bit longer. I'll allow it to happen to have just a little bit.
Nothing happened.
What happened?
What happened? That was so weird.
Huh? What happened? It's a
I forgot to change forms.
nothing happened. What are you guys talking about? Oh, whew. Nice weather we have.
Indeed. Wait, let me change my thing. Wait. I'm trying to think of like what else can I put here.
I wanna wait. I wanna try something. Try something. It's nothing. Alright. Right. I hope this.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Hi.
Mao.
Wait. What the fuck? Wait. It just like goes.
Mao.
Oh no.
Mao. You wanna know what this reminds me of?
What?
Here, let me put my cat on the mic real quick.
Yo.
Dude.
We are currently loading double.exe. Can you guys give it a bit? Oh no, I am not putting that. No, I ain't putting that. Fuck that. I'm letting that meme die, chat. Okay. I'm not putting that donut.
What the hell? No.
That's the furthest thing I'll do.
Sino has to eat tonight.
Alright, I'm gonna buy order this food. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, he's back.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, hey, dude, what's up? He loaded back in, guys. Don't worry.
Dude, sick cosplay. Holy shit, man.
Holy fuck.
What's going on in here?
Sick cosplay, bro.
Thanks, bro.
You look just like the real guy.
Holy crap.
Yeah. You know, a girl wants to look like Noble every once in a while.
How much was that cosplay? I feel like it took like a good while to build it.
Yeah. All the makeup and stuff, that took about at least 5 hours. Yeah.
Let's go.
Holy, that's pure dedication right there.
Yeah, thanks, man.